Happy morning children, welcome to the mathematics class for 5th standard ICSE. Today we are going to continue the unit. Let us go to the exercise section now. As we start this unit of understanding decimals, the place value chart is ones, tens, 100,000 in the left hand side and 10th, 100th, 1000th place value in the decimals. Exercise 6.1, we have a write the number name. 2.9 is equal to 2 TWO 2 point 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 9 NINE 9. Otherwise, in the place of a point, you can use and and also. 7.3 means 7.3 in spellings you can write. As we did in the book, similarly you have to write in the classwork next to three numbers 7.3, 7.4, 7.5, 7.6, 7.7 like 9.0, 9.1, 9.2, 9.3, 9.4. Next exercise 6.2, similarly we have a 100th place value 2.73, 2 TWO 2 point 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 7 SEVEN 7 3 THREE 3 9.04 9 NINE 9 point 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 0 ZERO 0 4 FOUR 4. Similarly, you can complete the remaining. Next exercise 6.3. For example, I given the blocks, building blocks. 2 point means 2 fully should color and 7 in the 10th place means square can be cut it into 10 pieces. In that 7 was colored and the 100th place 1 square can be cut it into 100 pieces. From that 1 was colored and the cube was cut it into thousands. In that 3 was colored. Write the number name for the thousands place 0.325. So read correctly, otherwise you will not write in proper way. So 0 ZERO 0 point 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 3 THREE 3 2 TWO 2 5 FIVE 5. Next is 72.097 70 SEVENT by 70 2 TWO 2 point 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 0 ZERO 0 9 NINE 9 7 SEVEN 7. So next to three numbers similarly as we done in the previous exercise. So 7.089, 7.090, 7.9, 091, 7.092, 7.093. So similarly you can write the remaining also. Next one is checkpoint. In page number 82 we have convert into decimals. 13 by 10 we can write 1.3. 7 by 100 we can write 0.07. So see the denominator, if it is 10 that is 10 means you have to put the point only 1, and if it is 100 you have to write the number after the decimal point. You have to write two numbers, and if it is 1000 you have to write after the point 3 numbers. So look at that, 7 by 100 is equal to 0.07. 4321 by 1000 means 4.321. Similarly complete the remaining. Next one is convert into fraction. 3.5 can be written as 35 by 10. 0.8 is equal to 8 by 10. 0.93 can be written as 93 by 100. 0.125 equal to 125 by 1000. Similarly, you can write the remaining. Next exercise is 6.4 in page number 83. We have convert into decimal. As we done in the checkpoint, we have to write like that. 4 by 10 is equal to 0.4. 2 7 by 10 equal to 2.7. 32 by 100 is equal to 14.32. 6 584 by 1000 equal to 6.584. So remaining sums you can complete. Next one is convert into fraction. So 8.01 they given fraction, decimals we have tried in a fraction. 8.01 equal to 8.8 1 by 5 1 by 100 sorry. 6.35 equal to 6 the whole number 6, 35 by 100. Next 4.001 equal to 4 1 by 1000. 16.8 equal to 16, 8 by 10. Next one is book page number 80. We have a exercise 6.3. Can complete that. Two blocks are fully colored, so 2, and in 1000 blocks we have 9 was colored, so 2.009. Similarly, write the decimal for the number name 2 and 7 thousandths, that is equal to 2.007. 17.002, that is 16.002 equal to 16.002. Write that, you can write the number. Next, build the decimal number. C Roman letter, 3 in the ones place, 5 in the hundredth place, so 3.05. 8 in the hundredth place, 6 in the thousandth place, that is 0.086. That's it children, we completed today's class. We will see the next class with the interesting topic.